time to travel to Hamilton, Ohio to spend Christmas with my son and his fiance's family. I'd no sooner touched down at the airport and I was whisked away to Skylines to have the traditional Ohio chili with spaghetti at Skylines. It was interesting, to say the least. There was a bit of snow on the ground, as if they had had snow the week before, but it was nothing like the snow we had in Norway. And definitely not nearly as cold as it had been in New York. We went on several little road trips around the Hamilton area and Cincinnati, and eventually we took a much longer 4-hour road trip up to Strongsville, which is just south of Cleveland. So my friend's son had recently got married, and this was his wedding reception, and yeah, we decided to drive all the way to meet up with her. I'd last seen her about 10 years ago, and yeah, share in the celebrations of her son's marriage, and it was a great catch-up.
Monkey mural in society. It's church, man.
Yeah, cool. Imagine in summer it's
It's got lots of little barns.
always great to see old friends again. Of course, then you have another long 4-hour drive back. But the sunsets in Ohio are amazing. A highlight of Christmas was the Christmas lights at Coney Island.
It's completely different from what it looked like on the
Snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside.
Time of the year, there'll be much mistletoeing, and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near.
Rage
very creepy singing this song.
cold never bothered me anyway.
All the sounds.
It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. Rage on. Our glories through the air into the ground. Slowly spiraling in frozen fractals all around. The cold never bothered me anyway.
With the house all beautifully decked out for Christmas, it was time to unwrap all the gifts and meet the family and have an enormous lunch.
And a steamer for dumplings.
Ooh, you love rice cookers, so
Yeah.
oh, that's perfect.
That's nice, yeah. Rice cooker and a steamer. See, Cass?
One of the gifts I'd received was a gift voucher for my son and I to go to Sherlock Escape Room in Florence in Kentucky, which is actually quite close to where we were staying in Ohio. It was a lot of fun, but we didn't escape. If you ever find yourself in Florence, Kentucky, I recommend this highly. They have a supermarket in Fairfield, Ohio called Jungle Jim's, which is absolutely amazing. It's huge. It's like a big warehouse. And they have sections of food from different countries all around the world. So anything you want, you'll find at Jungle Jim's. Christmas in Ohio has been amazing. See you on the next adventure.